YouTube, welcome back to Always a Double Down. Like, share, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. We're doing pretty good this month so far. Up and down, but for the most part, we're clawing our way back to the positive land, I think. Maybe this one will finally get us over and we can see the bright horizon. Alright. No whammy, just a win, come on. Alright, we're not gonna let that deter us. We have a chance. We still have a chance. I believe. If you believe, I believe. Come on now. Stop with the shenanigans. 21, there we go. Matching 21, alright. Like I said, just gotta stay positive. Can't let that one get us down. Alright. One matching number. Something big. That's a T. TY. 20, alright. We hit 20 yesterday. We hit 20 again today. No playbacks, but we're progressing ahead, and this is getting to be feeling real good. Nothing's gonna stop us now, hopefully. Alright. Knock on wood, and again, let me do the stupid so y'all don't have to, and I will see you guys tomorrow.